Good evening, everyone. This is Scott with PWWCars.com, Prestige Worldwide Sports and Cars. Getting ready to do another two-box break of 2021 Panini Optic basketball. These are hobby boxes. Two-box break number 3 from eBay. It is Sunday, October the 3rd. Thanks to everybody for getting in the break. As always, if you would like shipping, insurance, signature confirmation, or magnetic case one-touch for any of your hits, you can get that at our website, pwwcards.com. That's pwwcards.com. Good luck to everyone. Here we go. Hey, Clay, not in this break. All the spots were paid for. Empty box. All right. Box 1, here we go. Whoa, what's going on here? That's weird. Sorry about that. Usually we have our camera setting be focused. Let me fix that real quick. All right, there we go. Sorry about that. Harrison Barnes, Malcolm Brogdon, then a Jalen Smith rated rookie going out to the Suns. And then a Duncan Robinson orange, numbered to 199. That's going out to the Heat. Miami is Abraham. Pack 2 is Steph Curry, Josh Jackson, Devin Booker, and a Dominators Kevin Durant. Brooke Lopez, Bojan Bogdanovic, CJ Ellaby for the Blazers. And then how about this? It is a Brandon Ingram. Looks like an orange lights out. It is numbered to 99. 99. Going out to the Pelicans. New Orleans is Omari. Congrats. Nice parallel there. I don't know if we can see that any better or not, but it's numbered to 99. Eric Paschal, Jeremy Grant, Kelly Oubre, and a Bradley Beal, reigning threes. RJ Barrett, Joel Embiid, Precious Achiuwa rated rookie, and then how about that, a Skylar Mays Hollow rated rookie going out to Atlanta, Thomas W. Congrats. Caleb, Jimmy Butler, there's an Azubuike rated rookie, and then a green PJ Tucker for Houston. That one's numbered to 149, going out to Nathaniel. DeAndre Ayton, John Collins, and then we have a Jameis Ramsey autograph. Signature Series, Jameis Ramsey. That's going out to the Sacramento Kings. Sacramento's Connor. Congrats, Connor, on the auto. Next, we have Elite Dominators, Luka Doncic. Oops. Trying to do too many things at once and start playing music. That's not good. Duncan Robinson, Jamal Murray, then a James Wiseman rated rookie. Very nice, going out to Golden State and Omari. Then we have a Seth Curry, reigning threes, base. Joe Ingles, Al Horford, Daniel House, and then a lights out Kevin Durant for the Brooklyn Nets. That's just the base lights out. Still cool insert there, going out to Abraham. Cat, DeMar DeRozan. There's a Grant Riller rated rookie, and then a Danilo Gallinari hollow going out to Atlanta. Murray, Huter, Washington, and then a Marvin Bagley red. That one's numbered 71 out of 99, going out to Sacramento. Connor, again, congrats. MPJ, JJ Redick. There's Emmanuel Quickly, rated rookie, followed by a Nikola Jokic. They have this misspelled on these. I don't know. I find that fascinating. It's Jokic. Jokic going out to Denver. Julius Randle, Marvin Bagley, Rudy Gay, and then an Elite Dominators Pascal Siakam hollow parallel going to Toronto. Bart, that's coming your way. Brandon Clark, Kyle Lowry. There's a Xavier Tillman rated rookie, followed by a stargazing of Ben Simmons. That's the base going out to the 76ers. Miles Bridges, Cam Reddish, Eric Gordon, and then a Blake Griffin. Little hollow board action going out to the Pistons. Detroit's Matthew H. Tatum, Paul, Rondo, and then a green Mitchell Robinson going out to the Knicks. Numbered to 149. New York is Shelby. Brandon Ingram, Jaren Jackson Jr., Desmond Bain, rated rookie, and then Elite Dominators Donovan Mitchell. Kevin Knox, Donovan Mitchell, Domantas Sabonis, and then a Russell Westbrook All-Star. Bradley Beal, Dwight Powell, Isaac Okoro, rated rookie for the Cavs. And then a Donovan Mitchell All-Star. Last pack of box 1. Paul George, Tyler Hero, Ja Morant, and then a Luke Kennard for the Clippers. Bart B. That's box 1. Box number 2. All right, here we go. Box number 2. Karis LeVert, Norman Powell. There's a Zeke Naji rated rookie, and then a blue Draymond. Numbered 1 of 59 going out to Golden State is Omari. Congrats, Omari. It's coming to you. Kuzma, Isaac, Millsap, and then Elite Dominators Anthony Davis. TJ Warren, Mo Bamba, Vernon Carey Jr. rated rookie, and then a reigning threes JJ Redick. Miles Turner, Kemba Walker, Damian Lillard, then a lights out Dame going out to Portland, and Bart. John Wall, Christian Wood, Killian Hayes rated rookie, and then how about an Andrew Wiggins hollow board going out to Golden State? Omari. Wendell Carter Jr., Serge Ibaka, Aaron Gordon, and then an orange Bogdan Bogdanovic. Number to 199 going out to the Hawks. Thomas. It's coming your way. Clay, Danilo Gallinari, Elijah Hughes rated rookie for Utah. And then a Jason Tatum All-Star. Luke Kennard, De'Aaron Fox, Darius Garland, and then how about a stargazing hollow LeBron James? Very nice. Going out to the Lakers, Jeffrey D. Jeffrey, congrats. Nice prism silver stargazing there for you. Or hollow, whatever they want to call it, I guess, an optic. Otto Porter Jr., Steven Adams, Poku, rated rookie, very nice. And then a Zion stargazing. Very cool. Dort, Adebayo, Bogdanovic, and then a Devin Vassell hollow. Look at that. Going out to the San Antonio Spurs, Oliver. That's coming your way. Congrats. Eric Bledsoe, Markelle Fultz, Draymond Green, and then how about this? A nice Domantas Sabonis. That one's number 2 out of 79 going out to the Pacers, Bart B. Hachimura, Carmelo. There's a Tyrese Halliburton rated rookie. Very nice. Going out to Connor and the Kings. Then James Harden All-Star. Porzingis, Hardaway, Collins, and then a Kawhi Leonard All-Star hollow. Going out to the Clippers. Clippers, that's going to be Bart. Again, Bart. Jokic, Bridges. There's a Kenyon Martin Jr. rated rookie, and then a stargazing Kawhi. Kawhi, because I said so. Little joke for you. Graham, Oladipo, Harden, and then a Clay hollow going out to Golden State. Golden State's getting a lot of parallels here. Amari. DiVincenzo, Zeller. There's a Jordan Nwora rated rookie. And then how about this? A nice orange rated rookie of Obi Toppin. A little jersey match almost. Obi Toppin and the Knicks. That's going out to Shelby. That one is numbered to 199. Congrats on that one. Nice Obi. Lonnie Walker, Kobe White. And then there's our next auto. It's a Signature Series rookie auto of Azubuike going out to the Utah Jazz, Nathaniel. Not much on that auto. Oh well, there you go. Carmelo. Insert pile. Chris Middleton, LeBron James, Kyrie Irving, and then a lights out Zach LaVine for the Bulls. Last pack, good luck, guys. Russell Westbrook, Goran Dragic. There's a Robert Woodard rated rookie, and then a hollow of Tyler Bay. Dallas, David N. with a nice, saving the last hit for the last there. Congrats on that one. And that does it for the 2 boxes, guys. Thanks so much for getting the break. We'll get those sorted and shipped out. If you have any questions, let us know. If you'd like shipping insurance, signature confirmation, or a magnetic case one-touch, you can get that at our website, pwwcards.com, pwwcards.com. Thanks a lot for getting the break. Have a good night and a great week. Stay safe. Peace.